Have you ever wondered why lawyers are often seen wearing black coats? It's a question that sparks curiosity, and today we're peeling back the layers of history to find the answer. The black coat is not just a fashion statement, it's a symbol, a universally recognized emblem of the legal profession. From the bustling streets of New York to the quiet corridors of a rural courthouse, the sight of a lawyer in a black coat is a familiar one. It's a tradition that transcends borders and cultures, and has stood the test of time. But why black? What is it about this color that has made it the chosen hue for legal attire? Does it have a deeper meaning, or is it just a random selection? These questions are not just intriguing, they're integral to understanding the evolution of the legal profession. So, join us as we delve into the annals of history to unravel the mystery behind the black coat. Our journey begins in the 17th century, during the reign of King Charles II. This was a time when fashion was more than just a way to express individuality. It was a reflection of society's values and norms. And it was King Charles II who popularized the wearing of black coats. Here, black was not a symbol of mourning or melancholy, but rather, it stood for seriousness and professionalism. This was a period when society was steeped in formality, and the color black, with its austere elegance, perfectly mirrored this ethos. The black coat soon became a staple in the wardrobes of professionals, its somber hue serving as a visual testament to their commitment to their craft. Lawyers, too, embraced this trend, donning black robes as a sartorial affirmation of their dedication to justice and the rule of law. And so, black became the color of choice for many professions, including law. As we move forward in time, the black coat did not just stay within the borders of England. This garb, emblematic of solemnity and impartiality, began to permeate the global stage. The British Empire, in its heyday, spanned across continents, casting a long shadow of influence. This influence was not limited to politics or economics, it was deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of the colonies, including their legal systems. As English laws and legal procedures were implemented in these colonies, so too was the black coat. From the sun-drenched courthouses of Australia, to the bustling legal chambers of India, and the chilly courtrooms of Canada, the black coat became a familiar sight. It was a visual indication of the British legacy, a legacy that was often met with resistance but eventually accepted and integrated into the local legal culture. The spread of the black coat was not just a result of colonial influence, it was also a reflection of the growing respect for the legal profession. Lawyers were seen as the pillars of justice, the guardians of the law. The black coat became synonymous with this high esteem and the serious nature of their work. In the United States, a nation born out of rebellion against the British, the black coat was adopted with a sense of irony. Despite the revolutionary origins, the American legal system was largely based on English common law. The adoption of the black coat was a nod to this shared legal heritage, even as the young nation sought to carve out its own identity. Over time, the black coat transcended its colonial roots. It evolved from a symbol of British influence to a universal symbol of the legal profession. It was no longer just an English tradition, it was a global tradition. Each country, each culture added their own nuances to it, but the essence remained the same. Despite cultural and geographical differences, the black coat stands as a universal symbol for lawyers. It is a testament to the time-honored principles of justice, impartiality, and the rule of law. It is a reminder of the solemn responsibility that every lawyer carries, no matter where they practice. Fast forward to today, the black coat remains a staple in the wardrobe of lawyers. This seemingly simple piece of attire has grown to become a symbol of the legal profession. Just as a knight's armor signifies strength and protection, a lawyer's black coat represents their role as defenders of justice. It's not just about tradition, but also about the gravity and solemnity it brings to the courtroom. The black coat is a visual reminder of the serious nature of the legal proceedings, a symbol of the weight of responsibility that lawyers carry. In the modern world, the black coat is worn not just in the courtroom, but also in academic settings and public events where lawyers are present. It has transcended its original purpose and now serves as a universal symbol of the legal profession. And so, the black coat continues to be a beacon of professionalism and seriousness in the world of law.